Hey everybody, in this video we have a late 90s Volvo door lock, and I'm going to be using the HU56 Lishi here to pick and decode it. And I've already cut a key for it here, so we'll see what the key looks like. And it works nicely. And as far as picking goes here, this Lishi is not too bad. It's a twin lifter Lishi, and these locks normally pick, in my experience, fairly easy. Zoom in here so everybody can see. Alright, so I'm going to apply kind of heavyish tension here. I was thinking as much tension as the lock will allow. And so it looks like we have our odd numbers going up, which means our even numbers are going to be going down. And so we'll just start with 1 here. Click on 1. Click on 3, 5, and 7. So we'll go check the other side. 2 springy. Okay, 4 is binding, so we got a tiny click on 4. Click on, well, not yet. Okay, 1 little click on 6, but it's still binding. Okay, so another click on 6. We got that one set. Okay, 8's binding. And back off the tension a little bit here, and click on 8. And we are actually picked here. And then we can go ahead and actually decode it. Okay, if everybody can see. Okay, we're going to just start on number 1 here. Number 1 is reading a 2. 2 is a 4. 3 is a 3. 4 is a 1. 5 is a 1, 6 is a 1, 7 is a 3, and 8 is a 3. All right, so that's 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. And if you were to run that through a code fill program, you'd get a code of DH6720, so you know it's a valid decode. And also we know it's a valid decode too, because you cut a key, and the key operates the lock here, which is always a good sign. And that's pretty much all I got here, I guess, for the HU56 Lishi. Questions or comments, please put them in the comments. Also, if you like these videos, subscribe. And there'll also be a playlist here of all my Lishi videos. You can click the playlist, it'll be floating on the screen here, and check out my other 100 or so videos on Lishi tools. So that's it, guys. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.